everything's going good. Um, the chapters of the YouTube video will be in the description, so you can jump around as you see fit, or hang out here for the whole video or whatnot. What this video series is for is just for some you know, me being background noise while I work on what I'm working on, you working on what you're working on, and you just, you know, don't feel so alone, I guess. Or if you're watching the whole thing, then yeah, it's all as well. I don't really know what to say about that one. Let's see. I gotta put out the tweet. The tweet has been twittered. Yes. Alrighty. It's been a couple of days. I wasn't feeling very well, and then you know, but we're back at it now. We are on day 19. That's crazy. Day 19 of this stuff. Like usual, I have not drawn today, but well, I guess technically that's a lie, depending on like the time framing, cause like 7 hours ago, I did some sketches, just some quick sketches. I didn't work too long on these. Both of them took about 5 minutes each, so you know I didn't you know, spend too much time on them. Just kind of, yeah. You know how it goes. So let's get into it already. Let's quit messing around. Make sure you got some water with you. Make sure you got like some food or something in ya. You know you're ready to go. And let's get to it while you listen to my mad ramblings about just random stuff. I've been doing a lot of 3D stuff, or working on a 3D character, and just getting ready to work on more 3D stuff and actual full 3D projects. So while I was not feeling well, I wasn't completely like useless, I guess. Orientate ourselves here. Ugh, bad lines. Bad lines today. It's just gonna be a bad line day. change the window over here. I can actually see the stream details. So if everything goes to hell, at least I know. Kind of. In a timely fashion. Don't you hate when you ghost a line? Like you ghost a line and then you do it a couple of times and you're like, yeah, I got it. And then you go to draw it and your hand's just like, nah. I know we did that like 3 times in a row, but this time, I'm not doing it. And you're just like, bro, please work with me. I am not the enemy. Ugh. Janky lines today.
Janky lines?
Oh god, you scared me. When did you hop in? I didn't hear you. Oh, okay. Well, the music, like on stream, sounds normal, right? But for me, it's so deafeningly loud.
Oh, are you just sitting there talking to your stream and they can't hear you because of the music?
No, they can. Like, I haven't touched any of the audio stuff. But when I stream, the audio that comes through my headset is crazy loud. Everything is like very loud. And I can't
Well, you
like,
should fix that.
well, I've been trying to. I haven't found a way to do it yet. And if I turn it down, then I won't be able to hear like Discord stuff or anything like that. And if I move any of the sliders, it'll mess it up on stream. So I just leave everything and I just deal with it.
Oh, well, you're in your 30s now, right? So you don't really need perfect hearing anymore.
Yeah, true. I think it's better if I don't have perfect hearing. That way I can be like, what? And people will be like, I'm done talking to this dude. And I'll be like, that's what I thought. I mean, what?
Oh, what's that, Sonny? Speak up! Oh. Yeah, maybe. I don't know. I like my ears. I use them every day.
For those of you who don't know, the discombobulated voice is my friend Bo. I notice I never say that, ever, in any of the videos.
Say what?
Who you are. I just let you exist.
Well, they have a name to a voice, but it's not like they really know who I am. I could be anyone.
You could be anyone.
I could be anywhere.
You could be Ryan
Well,
Reynolds.
okay,
and
no,
they wouldn't know.
I couldn't be anywhere. Let's
Yeah.
face it. With my
Yeah.
accent, I'm definitely not anywhere. They probably have a where in mind when they hear me speak.
New York? What's up, Betch Boy? Who are you talking about?
We're not sure.
Yeah, we're not sure. Betch Boy, how are you? I hope all is well.
Wow, that was not a very good circle.
It started out so good too. Do you hear
Oh, yeah.
someone? Oh no. I hope you can hear Bo.
I think all of your circles are leaning towards the left today.
You know what? How about you? You should do some circles. Send it to me. All's well thinking. Nice. I thought that said honk you, and I was like honk, honk honk.
Nope. Oh, come on, slow down a little. What are you doing?
This is my first time. Slow down. Be gentle.
You're just going fast. Like every time you fuck it up, you're just going even faster, and then you're fucking it up, man. Like, are you trying?
Wow, am I trying? This guy, he comes into my stream and then he does this kind of stuff. Yeah, I'm doing fine. I was feeling ill the last couple of days, so.
But you got better. Not better at drawing circles, but better. Maybe you just need a different approach to drawing circles. So go make a sphere in Blender and then use the computer to trace around the edge of that sphere.
Yeah, I'll just, you know what I'll do? I'll just make a point in space and use an arc tangent to draw a perfect circle around it, and we'll just call it a good day.
Yeah, that's probably a better idea.
Yeah. You know, use pi and all that good stuff.
Man, I could go for some pie right now.
What hour are you on?
It is now. Let me think. I have to do math now. It's hard.
Oh, that's the hard part. Okay.
I'm now on hour 52.
Nice. And you're going till.
I have no idea.
Oh, you didn't even pick a. You were just like, I'll just do this until I either expire or I break down mentally and
Yeah,
end up
I just got
eating.
up one morning. I was like, hey, fuck food.
Your neighbor's gonna wake up and you're gonna be just in your underwear, like eating like cheese out of their fucking fridge. They'd be like, "What the hell?" You'd be like, "Oh, what am I doing here?" And they'd be like, "That's what I want to know." And you'd be like, sorry."
Sleepwalking, eating sandwiches. Yeah. At least your average circle is kind of circular.
You're kind of circular.
I am. That's true.
He's like, you know what? Fair enough.
Like a pear. I'm like a big circle with two little stubby legs on it.
A pear. A clean tablet because the glove is catching on something. just knocked a whole bunch of shit over on my desk.
Why'd you do that?
'Cause I'm clumsy.
For a moment there, I thought you might be part feline, so that could have been why.
I mean, it could.
You think cats just look at stuff on a disc and they just go absolutely
not? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I do. They're just like, no. What were you thinking? And you're like, yeah.
How dare you, human, putting things where I walk? No. I think it's more than that. I think they legitimately do it just to be assholes. I think they know they're just doing it to be annoying.
What's the meme where it's like, yeah, this $150 vase looks like it would be better on the floor.
I saw a video of some cat pushing something towards the edge of a table, and then this guy recording the video had a stuffed like toy shaped like a cat, and he started beating it up and throwing it on the floor, and then the cat like pushed the thing back onto the table away from the ledge. But I think the last part where it's pushing it back might have been edited, but it was still funny.
I love it shows like a big lion, right? Like a gigantic lion. And it says they really are just big cats. And somebody left a wheelbarrow just sitting out. Yeah. And like you see it just like walk up and like kind of like check it with its nose and stuff. And then it starts climbing in the wheelbarrow to sit. And like it sits down, but the thing that kills me is it starts to fall over. And instead of abandoning ship and jump out, the lion just like falls over onto the floor or onto the ground and everything. It just kind of lays there. It made me laugh a lot.
I don't know why they like going in boxes.
I don't either. I don't know what it is about square things that they're just like, yeah, this is where I belong.
I guess I shouldn't judge too much. Humans like to go into boxes of a sort as well. I live in a box.
Yeah, I was gonna say technically humans live in boxes.
Yeah. Maybe boxes are pretty good.
Maybe we shouldn't shit talk boxes. Would you rather live in a sphere? Yes. Yes, I would.
A sphere, huh?
A sphere, yes.
For a moment there, I thought you said spear.
Sure, that too. Why not?
Yeah. Well, what is a giant spear but a weirdly shaped box?
How dare you?
They came from Brazil.
Or is the box a spear with corners? Oh boy.
Ooh, that might be.
I'd prefer a torus over a sphere so I could have a yard inside. A torus? Isn't that like a donut? Yeah, sure, a donut. I mean, am I wrong? Think I'm wrong. Yeah, see, I know shapes. Bro, I cannot draw like twisted cubes to save my life.
No?
Yeah.
Well, you can draw banana slices. What was with that expression?
Sometimes I just don't know with you, to be honest.
Oh, look, the little cylinders with the X on them.
Mhm.
Kind of like a loosely sketched slice of banana.
I think I messed this up.
Ooh. Could make a delicious banana cake with lemon icing. That'd be good.
I'm gonna have to look up like references for twisted cubes, because I'm like, my brain is just not like,
How can she twist? Well, I mean, I guess maybe it's easier if you draw the bottom square and then you connect the corners with like a curved line. Help you visualize it.
I'm gonna try drawing through and seeing if that works. Probably help if I just drew the whole thing first.
What the heck? So Spotify just decided on its own that it should start playing. That's a little spooky.
Spotify's just like, I want to play music now. You're like, okay.
Yeah, pretty much. Why do I have 20 plus notifications on Discord?
Who are you talking to, Bo?
You, apparently.
Okay, hold on. Let's try going the other way. guys or who are listening to your voice who just got bored. So they decided to play Spotify. They're like, alright, we're tired of listening to this dude. Turn Spotify on.
Man, Spotify's pretty good. Hard to compete with. At least if you have premium, the ads are terrible.
I think you just have like one of those like things. You just can't stand advertisements.
Oh yeah, definitely. I cannot. I hate ads.
Like there's just something in your brain that's just like advertisements or chop off your own foot, and you're like, I'll chop both off.
Yeah, no ads and no food. Wait.
Yeah.
No, I just I hate how intrusive they are. They try to worm themselves into literally everything. Everything you aim your attention at, someone wants to put an ad there. And it's so annoying. There's never anything that I actually care about either, because the only people who think that that kind of advertisement works are selling weird products.
Fair enough.
But then again, maybe there's a type of person out there who's just like sees an ad and then decides to be like, yeah, I'm gonna buy that. I didn't know I wanted to, but yeah, I'm gonna buy that. And it doesn't matter what the ad is, they're just gonna spend money on it because they saw the ad.
I also think it's like one of those things where like you hear an ad and then like you're like, why would I buy that? And then like a week later or something, you need something, right? You need whatever it was, and then in your brain you're like, oh, there was, there was an ad for this, and I could just get it from so and so, and I don't have to go searching for it or anything.
That never happens to me. I guess maybe it's also because of the type of person I am. If I need something, I'm not going to just buy the first thing that comes to mind. I'm gonna look into reviews and feedback, right? See what other people are saying based off of the product.
Grocery shopping for you must be hell.
Well, okay, not for groceries. But I don't get any ads for groceries either. Because I need those to live. I can't just not buy them.
Yeah, but if Costco's like, yo, we got a big sale down on cabbage. We got a big sale on cabbage. And you're just like, I don't want to hear this ad. And then a couple days later, you're like, shit, I need cabbage. Your brain goes, oh, Costco's having that big sale about cabbage. I'll just go to Costco and get some cabbage.
No, it really doesn't, because Costco is too far away.
Well, whatever. You get the point.
I'll just go to the store that's nearest. They know this, by the way. That's why there are stores literally everywhere. It's because people are lazy. Like, the further away we are, the less people are gonna come.
I saved that video just in case you wanted to watch it, like, later.
Which one?
The one I asked if you wanted to watch.
What, the art thing?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. speaking of products and advertisements, I am really excited for Baldur's Gate 3.
Really?
Yeah, that looks like it's going to be a really nice RPG.
It's finally coming out.
Yep, next month.
Nowadays, you don't
And
even
then,
need a store. You can order food right to your doorstep, which I do.
oh, I don't, because it's too expensive doing that too often.
Yeah. There we go. That looks.
Where's the document? Little document, where are you? There you are. Alright, time to clean up this file.
Myself. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Alright, Bench Boy. Enjoy your tea party. Did you get much further in your book?
Nah, I just cracked it open now. I'm about to work through another couple of pages.
Nice. The last thing was making that window, right?
Oh yeah, I'm cleaning up the code right now because everything in the course is just in one file, and I don't like that. So I took a little detour learning how to split it up into modules.
You saw it in one file and you were like, absolutely not.
It's like, this is messy. I don't like it. Yeah, that's the problem with having opinions about things. Sometimes it can be a hindrance.
I feel the same way when I'm doing like researching something coding wise, and like you're kind of coding along and whatnot. They're doing it all in one file, and I'm like, I'm literally, my brain is going to explode if you don't start like putting these in different places.
There we go.
I just get sent a Discord. Dude, Sean's getting good with the shaders, man. In Blender?
Yeah,
Like, I was like, damn, my guy.
yeah. When Sean wants to be, he's very productive. So he gets through a lot of material very quickly.
I guess
He also reads incredibly fast.
Oh, okay.
So he can go through written tutorials really quickly.
Say, I guess I'm not much help because I just keep giving him tutorials.
So that's why you also see him jumping through videos so fast. He just processes information quickly.
Yeah. But you two seriously are the most impatient fuckers I've ever dealt with.
You think so?
Yeah.
I have patience in some areas.
No, not when it comes to like videos for like information. You do not have patience. Squish. Squish. Squish cube. Okay. 5-minute gesture drawings. Holy hell. Alright. Block that out of my mind. Let's get it set up. The hell? If you're watching on YouTube, make sure you take a break, stretch a little bit, get the blood flowing. All that good stuff. Make sure you have something to drink. Dude, I cannot tell you how many times I tried to retexture the hair on that 3D model I sent you. The hell? Are you ready, Bo? You ready to do this?
I
Ready
was
to get at it?
born ready.
You were born. Alright, time to quit playing around. Let's get to it. So I am like able to prototype positions better, but I don't know if that's just because of like I've been drawing or if the gesture drawing is actually helping. And it's really infuriating
Why is that infuriating?
because I want to know. I
Ah.
want to know that what I'm doing is like actually got merit to it and I'm not wasting my time.
I think you need to speak to someone who understands anxiety and get some tools to cope.
Yeah, it's called alcohol.
Because no. That's a bad idea.
You're like, Ark, no. No, it like that has nothing to do with the anxiety. That just I just want to know that what I'm doing is actually like helping me, you know? It's not about anxiety. It's about wanting to be like getting the more bang for your buck, I guess, right? Like coding
So is it because you're impatient?
No, I don't want to do things that aren't gonna help me succeed, you know? Because I have goals. So I want to succeed, so succeeding's on like the top priority.
What does succeeding mean?
Getting better, getting to where I want to be.
Better as like, what's the standard? What are you trying? Better doesn't mean anything in a vacuum. What is better?
I'm not vacuuming right now.
No, but do you understand what I'm saying? Like you're saying you want to get better, but you haven't talked about what better is, so it's meaningless. Better as opposed to what?
Like my art? I want it to look better?
Yeah, but what does better mean? That's subjective. It doesn't mean anything.
I want it to not look like garbage.
Same problem. Like
No.
yeah, I think we've talked about this so many times. Your problem is that you're not like defining the goals more concretely, and then you have all this emotion tied up into whether what you're doing is going to produce the results you want, but you're not even articulating exactly what you want. You know it when you see it. You can pick out art pieces and say, hey, I like these are good art, and you can pick out art pieces and say, hey, these are bad art. But it's as if you don't have the vocabulary or you don't have the conception of how do you work towards good art. And I think you just need to figure out, like, talk to someone who knows more about art than I do and have them help you like outline steps that are concrete that you can actually look at and say, okay, I can literally see whether I'm doing this, yes or no. So you have something to work on. I think that's the only way you can do this, or just, I don't know, figure out how to deal with your emotions, I guess.
Dave, just how to feel it. Alright. You really just hit me with the I need you to deal with your emotions. That's good.
No, I had a long prelude of examples of what you could do that were constructive. And then I gave you the alternative, which is don't make it my problem.
Oh, I'm gonna make it your problem.
Yeah, damn it.
Yeah, this is your problem.
I don't want more problems.
This is too bad. I'm tired of digging, Grandpa. Well, that's too damn bad.
So, what week are you on now of the art course?
Week 6.
Week 6. Okay, so
Out
you
of
still have
65.
like a year and 40 weeks to go. 48 weeks, something like that. I'm sure you'll get there.
Yeah, me too.
Don't say that with that tone of voice when I can see your face. You gotta believe it. You gotta feel it in your gut. You gotta look yourself in the mirror and be like, boy, howdy, Ark. You sure are an artist. I believe in you.
No.
How many minutes do you have per gesture now?
5.
4? 5? Okay.
He's your favorite guy.
Oh, it's that guy again. Ugh.
Yeah, I said it's your favorite dude.
Yeah, but I was fetching a drink. Sorry.
Oh, yeah, it's your buddy. I hope you run into this dude one day, and I hope he's like actually a really cool person, and you're just a straight asshole to him, just for this perceived notion of like him being smug specifically because of the reference images that he took of the pack I bought. It'd be so good. It'd be
No,
so
see,
funny.
unlike you, I'm capable of wearing a polite mask. So even if I dislike someone, I don't have to be an asshole towards them.
I can be polite.
Yeah, but not to someone you dislike.
Sure,
The best and worst
dude.
part about you, Ark, is how really honest you are.
I can be. I can do it. Put me in, coach. I can do it.
Yep, definitely. Yeah, no, with you, it's what you see is what you get. So.
That memory. Nice.
You don't have to sit around and wonder if Ark meant something else by what he said, or if he's trying to like say something between the lines. Nope.
There's lines?
He'll tell you. Yes, you're right. I would probably not like this person if I met them based off of very shallow reasons, but I wouldn't express it.
It would be funny to me though. God, like I hate those questions. That what that put that in my mind is like when like your significant other is like, "Hey, do I look good in this?" And you're like, "Ugh, so we're gonna fight? That's what you want to do? That's what you want to do right now? You want to fight in the middle of this store in front of these people?" You know what's annoying? Are you looking at the screen?
What's annoying?
Alright, you see these characters? Like you see these gestures right here?
Yeah.
That's in 5 minutes, right?
Uh-huh.
I also I spent about 5 minutes each on both of these.
So it's helping.
No, it's not. Look at these versus look at these. I mean,
You know, if you go all the way back to those little stubby guys without legs that you drew, like when you started, you couldn't draw one of those in 5 minutes.
stubby dudes with legs.
Without legs.
Are you talking about?
You basically drew a character that was just a helmet. No, it didn't even have a body. It was literally just a helmet.
Oh, you're talking about like these characters.
Yeah, that kind of thing.
The perspective's way off on that.
Well, yeah, you would spend half an hour drawing something like that when you started out.
They would have like weapons. Guys. I like those guys. They were bad.
But even now, that one is much better than what you drew back then. This one has depth. The one you drew back then was completely flat.
It's called an art style, Bo. Get
No,
behind it.
it was a square. It was a square with a Tetris block on its head. That's basically what you drew.
That's so mean.
You're going to spend your entire break drawing.
Yeah, I mean. Oh, if you're watching on YouTube, it's 5 minute break. Get up, walk around. You have a minute left. I'm sorry. I should redraw those characters. That would be fun.
Yeah, why not?
Yeah. But what's really gonna mess me up is you going from 5 minutes back down to like 1 minute, I think, after this. Like the next week is like you do 1 minute gesture drawings. It's gonna mess me all up.
It may be. Are you ever going to have to work on the proportions of the characters when you do gestures, or is that not the point of the exercise?
Yeah, I mean, if you can, I guess.
Oh, okay.
Like, I still keep proportions in my mind when I'm like doing it, even though it doesn't look like it.
Yeah, the heads are definitely a little big compared to the bodies.
Yeah.
You're a wizard, Harry.
Yo, what's that, Harry? I like the one where he's like, "You're a gangster, Harry," and he hands him the Glock. That was pretty good. But yeah, this arm is way too big. forgot what I was doing, and I just started drawing.
You're like, that's enough gestures for today.
Yeah, my brain completely shut off. It was just like, no.
No more of this. Now we draw.
Yeah. Here's
Maybe you
boring.
should spend some more time just drawing creatively.
I draw creatively every day.
Yeah, but do it more. In fact, just do nothing but draw. How about that?
I mean, I kind of do that.
Yeah, but then more than what you're already doing.
Alright, Betch Boy, thank you for hanging out. I will say one thing I know that actually has paid off for me is the anatomy work I've been doing.
Nice. The practice with the skeletons where you draw the muscles, or
All of it, just all the anatomy work that I've been putting like in on my spare time has just been like paying off. Like this guy, his proportions are off, but like his anatomy is definitely there. And like it's one of those things, like remember when I was talking and I was like, I don't know how they just like we were talking about how artists would put lines and stuff and like why it looks so good versus other stuff. And like it's the reason why is they know the anatomy, so they add like little small details that like kind of go unnoticed unless you know what you're looking for.
I was just looking at some of the sculpting that Sean has been doing. The weird helmet that he made.
I don't know if he knows this, but all the weird stuff he's making is really gonna actually pay off.
That weird frog dinosaur with the broom.
Yeah.
It's just cursed. It's so cursed.
Yeah, I was like, Bubba, I don't know what the hell that is. I'm just gonna leave it be.
It's not even fully reptilian. It looks like it's also part insect. I don't know what that thing is.
I love how he was like, he wasn't like, look at this thing I did. He's just like, yeah, so here's this.
Yep.
He's just like, your guess is as good as mine. see like the upper body anatomy I'm just like really happy with. And I know it doesn't show here, but on some of my drawings lately, I go back and I check the head proportions just to like, I grab the head just to see how like, you know, how off I am. Either know it's a stylized character.
Yeah.
Haven't been off that much actually. I've been normally around like, so you want to be like 7.5 to 8, you know, heads. I'm usually around like 6.5 to 7, so. Unless it's like my really stylized characters, then those are just 4 heads. Those are 4 heads tall. I don't trust the poly count not to crash my shit. Yep, fair enough. I mean, at least they all look like they're doing something and not just like standing around. Which is pretty good, I guess. Let's see, what's next? Oh no!
Perspective.
I forgot that we gotta. Damn it. No.
Oh,
What the hell? Get out of here.
how? What the? No way. Does that have to be?
Why, yes, Bo. That is how it has to be. Whether you like it or not. Talking about. Just ignore me. So, I did go back and look at the video that he did on the course when he talks about drawing in a room at one point perspective. And my conclusion to watching him do this is that he knows what he's doing and he's an art god. So, yeah, there's that. Yeah, there's that. And I wish I knew what I was doing.
What are you even talking about?
The 1 point perspective room that I'm about to have to draw.
Yeah.
Yeah. I went back and I watched Mark Burnett's video on it, doing it. Like, that's in the course.
Yeah.
And turns out he's an art god and he knows what he's doing, and I have no idea what I'm doing. I just don't have, like, I don't know what it is. Like, it's like my creative brain just does, when it comes to rooms, is just like, just put a box in there and call it good. While other people are very elaborate. They're like, I want a vent over here, and I want like this over here, and that, and I'm like, I don't know what you want from me.
Yeah, I don't know what you want either.
I want answers, Bo.
Okay.
God,
It's going to be hard.
I want answers.
I got none of that for you.
I got none of that plus 10 for you. That's what my stepdad used to say.
Mode. Paused. Playing and DED dead.
Are you like setting up a state machine?
I'm just setting up the different types of states. Well, yes.
Okay.
But I'm not. I'm not at the machine part yet. I'm just at the states. Is what I was trying to say. Let's do pub mode.
Are you eating a candy bar? No,
Mode.
I'm trying this new I'm eating a candy bar. Yeah. It's what you did. No, yeah.
Um,
Alright, well, entertain chat, I'll be right back. And by entertain chat, I mean just voice out loud what you're doing or thinking.
I'm not thinking at all. That's the problem. Shit. How was this supposed to? Why is it saying that this is wrong? It's very weird. So we need to use the create game. Mod game. Create game. Oh, just mod game. And then use create game star. What about this public use bracket library prelude?
We know you don't think. We're very aware of this. I would.
Here's my question. When I use this bracket lib inside of my main, can I go into a submodule and use stuff from it? That would be interesting. Or do I have to use it as well inside of the submodule?
Only one way to find out, homie. And I'm here with you. We'll get through this together, okay?
What is this bastard complaining about? Expected... What? Oh, it's because I did it wrong. Okay, good.
To give context, everybody, Bo is coding in Rust. And if you don't know, or if you do know, we all know that Rust hates you.
No, it doesn't.
It's a language designed specifically to make you mad. Really mad.
Impl game data.
Even when you do it right, Rust will tell you you've done it wrong.
I need a public function new, which refers to and self. Return self. Self. Oh no, I don't need that from there. I just need mode, and then it should be started in the mode paused. Yeah, yeah, that looks about right.
Does it? Does it look right?
Shush you. Okay, and now we need to implement game date. Ah, fuck. How did that happen? For game data. And now why is it complaining? Why is it crying?
Rust simply makes you realize that the problem is not Rust, it's Rust.
Import bracket lib prelude. Let's go. Okay, so I do need to use it inside of here. Okay, I need to ask someone about this, I think.
You asking another programmer for help?
Well, cool your jets. I'm gonna start with the chat gibbity and then we'll see.
You are... You're like, whoa, let's not get too far.
Don't get excited now. Yeah, don't get excited. We're just gonna ask a computer.
Well, I already did pick out today's image that I'll be. Oh, the dude. Um, his name is ItsAlexCreamer. He messaged me back on Twitter and said that it's totally cool by him if I use his draw his art on stream, which was good. So I'd really hate for him to be like no,
That's
and then
nice.
I have to delete fucking 4 videos. I swear, once I get past this like perspective part, I'll never not use guides ever again. If I have to do any kind of perspective stuff, I'm gonna use guides.
Yep. Just yep. I mean,
So you want to do things the hard way, do ya? Just never mind, I don't want to do this anymore. Well, that's just too bad. Shit.
oh, let's see.
Do you?
So if I do pop use,
It's so much easier doing it the other way.
line, star, use crate. What the fuck? Nope. We're gonna use that. And then this has use. Oh, this file doesn't even exist anymore. Oh, okay. Now, why does this work? Do I need to use up? No. So I have my. Oh, it's because I was being a silly boy. Now,
Look at
that is the sound. That is the sound of me making minuscule progress.
Look at that. Look at the thing I just drew.
Fuck. Where the hell did the stream go? What am I looking at here?
It's a room. You're looking like directly down a room.
Oh yeah, nice. Well done. It looks better than the last time you attempted it.
And I'm done with perspective for today.
No, you're not. Come on now.
No, no. I'm never done with
Where's the vanishing point? Did you just put it directly in the middle?
Put it right about there.
Well, you'll need to have that indicated somewhere, right?
You'll need to have it indicated.
Man, I really want mashed potatoes.
Oh, we have mashed potatoes in the fridge. Where I
Nah, you have the weird craft stuff, the powder that you just mix water in.
No, I don't. Seb makes
really?
mashed potatoes for me when he's home. Handmade mashed potatoes.
Can I have Seb? Can he be my friend? I want mashed potatoes.
I love how you, instead of like, can I have mashed potatoes? You skipped that and went to like the highest priority thing. Was like, can I have Seb?
No, because there's gonna be more mashed potato if I have Seb.
I know, that's what kills me. Like, that's how fast your brain works. You're like, no, we want the maker. We don't want the thing. We want the thing that makes the things.
I want the source of the mash, not the mash itself.
The source of the mash.
Yeah, I think that's a good idea. Just tell Seb to come around with mashed potatoes. It'd be good.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, totally.
Oh.
Okay, so another thing I have to pay attention to is something that you said a while back that I just like ignored because it was too much for my brain. And I'm gonna have to figure that out now. So we're going to put a door down here as a reference. Door. That means about here.
Now this implementation needs to move into the game module. Abstract game data. That's that. And then we need to implement the tick function. And we have the new, which returns self. Yep, that's good. And then I need functions on it. Oh dear me. Oh dear.
Oh, there.
Do I need to make those public, I wonder? I probably do. I don't need to make the implementation public, do I? No. Okay, good. Jeez. Some of this syntax is kind of horrible.
Oh my god.
What?
I think I told you about it, but I was messing with my lead one day, and he was like, hey, can we access the token for like getting like the backend stuff? Can we like, how can we access that? And I was like, oh, I made it global, so you can access it anywhere. And he was like, some noise he made.
Do you remember the noise I made when you said you were putting stuff on the prototype?
Yeah, I like shut you, like I like hard shut you down. You were like, no.
That required a full brain reboot.
I think that's what you said. You were like, no. I was like, uh-oh, I have fucked up. Hey, Bo, I found this nifty thing. I can put things on the prototype. No.
Yes, because she can doesn't mean you should.
Keep your JavaScript away from my JavaScript.
Alright, so I need a handle menu. I need a handle gameplay. Or maybe just handle game. Game loop? No, just handle game.
I think the moment he knew I was messing with him though was when I was like, yeah, I can go into the console like on a browser and just pull it up. It's really neat. He was like, oh, you're messing with me. I was like, well, yeah, but it's still
And
funny.
mod B terminal. Oh, I don't want them to be named context. I'm just gonna name them terminal because that's cooler.
Is it cool?
Yeah. This is weird. Huh. Okay. Yeah, that's the type. So the name comes before the type. Here the type comes before the name. It's a little weird.
The type
That's
comes
because
before the name?
Well, it's because of the special syntax when you reference an instance. You can pass in like a special token called self, and
Yeah.
it implicitly has the same type as the function that it's, well, the instance that's calling it. But then the access modifiers, if you want to make it mutable and a reference, you put them to the left of the self token, whereas it's the opposite when you do it with any other type, kind of.
That is weird.
It's just one of those things, you know?
Rust things. Hashtag Rust things.
No, it's just one of those programmer things. There's weird stuff in all programming languages. It's just kind of, you have to deal with it because it is what it is.
Yeah.
Do I really need a function for handling restarting the game?
Yes.
I feel like that's handling defeat, though. That's restart.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
Because if
you can't restart in my game because that's defeat mentality, and we don't do that here.
Yeah, so defeat, I think I literally just want to set it back to the menu state, so it just like ends the game. Put you right back in the menu. Yeah.
Yeah, but you
no
might
game
wanna,
over or anything. Just
you
boom,
might want to
menu.
look at. No, give them a game. That's so jarring when it just like blip and you're back and you're like, what happened?
You lost so hard you didn't even get like a status screen. You just got sent straight to the Shadow Realm. Fine, I'll make a game over.
I love the somebody did an edit of Elden Ring, and I can't remember what boss it was, but they were like, I wonder how hard he hits, and the boss jumps up in the air, and like right before the initial hit happens, like the screen goes black, and then it just like starts like Dark Souls 2 or Dark Souls 3. And he's like, damn, he knocked me all the way back to Dark Souls 3. It made me laugh so hard.
Now, I need to do match on this. Match self dot.
Nah, don't match, just guess.
Mode.
Just act like you know it.
Okay.
Sure.
Whatever you say. I think we're gonna have to do mode. Pause playing. Oh, I'm gonna change that. It's gonna be menu. Menu.
Man, the fact that I have to wait like a year for Final Fantasy is bogus.
Me too.
You don't care that much. I know you don't care that much.
I do. I care enough that I want to play it.
But Saturday you get to play Altair. And we get
Yeah,
to
that's true.
watch Jobless
Yeah.
Reincarnation.
Oh, that might be good. We could also push the Jobless Reincarnation a couple weeks so we can watch more episodes.
You want to?
I
But
don't
if
know.
we do that, you can't every 5 minutes be like, you don't know what happened to Selfie, because I'm gonna lose my
Are
mind.
you still thinking about that?
Yeah, and
I hope
it's
you are.
constantly been looping in my mind. Like, I'm like, what happened? What happened to Selfie? If
So
anything
mode
bad
menu.
happens, I will burn this place to the ground.
So this we're just going to say self.handle menu. Oh, does it need? Oh, of course it does. It needs self and self and much self. Oh no, wait! It just wants the terminal. Okay, like that. Do I just pass in terminal like that, or do I need to terminal? Oh, it's because it's not. All right, I know how to code. I promise.
I know what I'm doing.
I can code. I promise. All right, let's do mode defeat, self-handle defeat, terminal. Mode playing is going to be self-handle playing, handle game, terminal. And then we're going to have the general case, which is going to be self.handle unknown state terminal. This is unreachable pattern. Oh no. That's not good. Illegal. There we go. Wait, it doesn't error on this? It's just like, yeah, sure, I know that function. We don't. It doesn't exist. Handle unknown state. It's always nice when your tools don't work. And mud beat term. Boop. Cool. Now, back into our main function. We no longer need this. And we no longer need this. Now, if I did everything correctly, my program will compile and run.
13
Oh,
minutes later.
I have a window. Yay.
I thought you had a window yesterday.
Yeah, but I just basically rewrote all the code, so the fact that I still have a window is great.
True.
Blah blah blah. Unused. Blah blah blah. Fine.
People who don't code don't get that when it's like all you did was move code around and you're like, and it still works.
I did a whole bunch of shit for nothing. What are you drawing there?
So here's like a storage cabinet, and then I'm gonna draw like a table, kind of.
Oh, okay, cool.
And this time I kept in like the perspective. So like this box now should be like is the same size as almost the same size as that door over there. So like the size of objects is still matters in the perspective that they're in.
I think the bottom of the cabinet is slightly off on the second corner.
This one?
The corner closest to the end.
What's technically the end?
The nearest the vanishing point.
This one?
Yeah, that one.
It might be. Most likely, probably, yeah. I mean, I'm not the best at this shit.
I mean, I guess you'll find out once you like start measuring out to see how far off you were, right? This just seems incredibly hard without using a ruler or anything. Just doing it freehand, eyeballing it seems really tough.
Yeah, that's the point.
Which, like, most people could do a reasonable job with this kind of perspective if they had like a ruler. But doing it by hand looks real tough. Anyway, I was writing code.
Yeah, you were.
Let's see, it's warning me about all kinds of unused things. Well, guess what? I don't care.
Joke's on you. I can't read.
What should we call this game? I'm going to call it
The like of rogues.
I'm going to call it Ark's Ark Dungeon. How about that?
Sure, why not?
Ark's Dungeon of Art. There we go. And the only enemy type I'm going to implement is going to be gestures. And they're going to come in like 3 variants: 1 minute, 3 minute, and 5 minute.
Nice. Happy I can be the inspiration. When you publish your game, make sure to link my stream.
Sure. I'm never publishing this, but okay. Also, you laugh, but I totally didn't have to talk to a human because ChatGPT knew the answer to my question.
No, I mean that's good. Go to ChatGPT. So I watched Peaky Blinders.
Yeah. Was it good?
I made it a couple of episodes into the second season, and then I was just like, alright, I don't care about any of this.
did I print centered at? Oh, I see. X and Y and text. 1 1.
21.
Hello.
21.
And let's do mode illegal. Cargo. Whoops. Print center. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. Golden. Ooh, nice. It works.
Hell yeah.
No, I don't want to start the game in an illegal state. I'll start in a menu state. There we go. I should get one of those ASCII art things. Where do I get that? Generate ASCII art. Art. Main artist. Art extension of art. Or let's do big. Nope. That's too many lines. I don't want to use that much for it. Avatar. And all of these are kind of. Mm-hmm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Cool. Let's do this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 lines. I guess that's okay. Oh, that's more interesting. It's only 3. Let's do that. Start the bottle. And centered at 1. And all that centered. 2. 3. escape those. Let's see how it renders. It's a little bit too big. That's too bad. Hmm. One, two. Three.
Okay, I'm gonna check the perspective on this and move on.
Five. Six.
Yeah, I knew there was something wrong with like the concrete barrier over here.
There was?
Yeah, like I was like, this is off, and I like, but I couldn't like tell what exactly was going on.
Aha! That looks pretty good. Okay. Alrighty. Luckily, I already have the art picked out for today, and it's not an easy one. Yeah.
Yeah. It's this one right here.
Oh, apparently I don't have Notepad++ installed. That's a mistake. Portable? No, I'll just install it. Whatever. Yes, English is fine. Next. Yeah, I agree. No, I don't want localization. Let's just go. Install. Run Notepad++. Yes. Such a lovely bit of software.
Notepad++.
Oh yeah. Super good. So I can do replace, and then I can use regex, and then I can do the start of a line should be replaced with that. Replace all, and the end of a line should also be replaced with that. And then we can do backslash should be replaced with replace all. Very nice. And then we can multi-cursor. I think it's Control and Alt, or is it just Alt? Shift? Okay, it's Shift somehow. Oh dear me. Control Shift. No. How the fuck do you multi-cursor again?
Alt click.
Nah, that ain't it.
In VS Code?
No, I'm using Notepad++. multi-cursor. Shift and Alt and down arrow. I see.
Shift and Alt and down arrow.
Yep. And then I need terminal.print centered. Terminal.print underscore centered. And then we just put 0, comma, whatever that is. Then we jump to the. Oh. This is problematic. Oh well. We'll just do it this way then. Like that. And we're going to copy this into the editor. So this is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. 17. Let's try and run it. Nice. Maybe I'll shift it down a little bit more. Yeah, that didn't teach me a lot of Rust, but it was time well spent. There you go. I have the start of my menu.
Nice, nice.
That looks like concept art from World of Warcraft.
Yeah, ItsAlexCreamer did the concept art for World of Warcraft.
I like that he called himself ItsAlexCreamer.
Yeah. I'm happy he gave me permission to butcher his work on live stream.
Yeah, nice of him.
Yeah. What's funny is before he gave me an answer though, he went and liked some of my stuff, and then he was like, "Yeah, I don't care, go for it." I was like, all right.
Alright, let's move on. And state new. Current mode. So, yeah. it has to clear the screen? Oh, yikes. Forgot that. Terminal.cls. There we go. Oh, so that's why it looks so weird. Oh. Yeah, okay, this is much better. Maybe I should make a function for this. Title. And B-term. Go. Title terminal. Fun. Hmm. Maybe I want to move all this print logic into its own module. Printing. Print. Print.rs. Use create print. Use bracket lib. Terminal. B term. Settings. Background. Set the opacity down to maybe 8. That's better.
Oh, don't forget to stretch. Bo, don't forget to stretch. Bo is gone.
Hi, buddy. It is past midnight, so I will be heading off.
Alrighty, dude. Thanks for hanging out.
Yeah, you too, man.
I appreciate it. Sorry, everybody. I'm finding it very hard to like focus. So. call that one finished. Mostly because like I can't like focus a whole lot anymore. Like my focus is completely gone. Um, yeah. But I mean, I got most of it done. Stuff. It's just not the picture they did is very good. What I did is not really. So it is what it is. You know. Still tried to do the best I could. Bit of shading. Yeah.
I'm not sure about that, but I have to have it posted. The new call is soon possible.
It doesn't look good there. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and call this one here. Everybody, thank you for being here. Batch Boy, thank you for showing up. Bo, as always, thank you for being my second voice. And if you're watching this on YouTube and you made it this far, comment down below, like and share, you know, all that stuff. Subscribe. And yeah, I'll be back tomorrow with another one. And yeah, you know the drill. Tell your friends, tell your mom, tell your grandma, tell her cat. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.